Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to explore the amazing health benefits of pineapple, a tropical fruit known for its sweet and tangy taste. From boosting your immune system to supporting digestion, pineapple offers a wide range of benefits that might surprise you. So, let's dive right in. 1. Rich in nutrients, pineapple is packed with essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, manganese, and vitamin B6, which play vital roles in maintaining overall health and well-being. 2. Immune system support, the high vitamin C content in pineapple helps strengthen your immune system, protecting you from various illnesses and infections. 3. Anti-inflammatory properties, bromelain, an enzyme found in pineapple, has powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can aid in reducing inflammation and promoting joint health. 4. Digestive aid, bromelain also acts as a natural digestive enzyme, assisting in breaking down proteins and aiding digestion, which can be especially helpful for individuals with digestive issues. 5. Heart health, pineapple's rich potassium content helps maintain healthy blood pressure levels, reducing the risk of cardiovascular problems. 6. Skin health, vitamin C and antioxidants in pineapple contribute to healthy and glowing skin, helping to fight free radicals and prevent premature aging. 7. Bone strength. The manganese content in pineapple supports bone health and can help prevent osteoporosis in the long run. 8. Weight management, being a low-calorie and high-fiber fruit, pineapple can be a great addition to your weight management efforts, keeping you feeling fuller for longer. 9. Hydration. With its high water content, pineapple can assist in keeping you hydrated throughout the day, contributing to better overall health. 10. Eye health. Beta-carotene, a compound found in pineapple, is essential for eye health and can help prevent age-related macular degeneration. There you have it, the incredible health benefits of pineapple. Adding this tropical delight to your diet can do wonders for your well-being. Remember to consume it in moderation, as excessive consumption may lead to certain side effects. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.